It's raining really loud, and it was thundering and lightning earlier, and I'm scared. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like outside, okay, people? Look. Just in case you can't hear it, it's like except much more rain sounding. Look. Look at the pitter-patter. The pitter-patter. The pitter-patter. And it's really loud. Listen to how loud it is. It's like do 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 do. Look, we have pretty like do 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 do. It's raining so hard. Oh my God! Did you just see that? That was just lightning! Oh my God! That was lightning! That was it again. Listen. Oh, my dog's scared. It's okay. It's okay, doggies. It's okay. Oh my God. Look at the trees moving in the wind. Well, I'm gonna go before I get struck by lightning. No offense to any people who have gotten struck by lightning before. It sounds very painful. Goodbye.